Hey guys, this is one of my favorite recipes, creamy vegan mac and cheese. It's quick, easy, and anyone can make it. It's one of the family favorites, and I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. Start by peeling a large sweet potato. Now chop the sweet potato. Place sweet potato and cashews into the pot. Cover them with warm water. Put the lid on the pot. Set the stove to medium-high heat and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until soft. Chop a yellow onion. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. Heat olive oil in the pan. Once the olive oil is heated, add the onions to the pan. Poke the sweet potato with a fork to make sure it's fully cooked. Strain the sweet potatoes and cashews when they are fully cooked. Gently add water to a pot to cook the pasta. Whoops! Cover it with a lid and bring to a boil. Add the garlic to the pan and onions. Cook the onions and garlic for about 5 minutes and then turn off the heat. Remove the lid from the boiling water. Add salt. Add in the pasta of your choice. Cook it per instructions on the package. Add water, nutritional yeast, sweet potatoes and cashews, cooked onions and garlic, lemon, salt, and pepper to your blender. Now blend on high for 2 minutes. Add paprika and blend on high for another 30 seconds. Strain the pasta once it's fully cooked. Add the pasta back into an empty pot. Now add in the vegan cheese sauce. Yum! Mix well. And there you have it. Simple, easy, quick, vegan, creamy mac and cheese for you and your family to enjoy. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.